Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we're going to look at how to find the median or mode for a set of data. Here's the set of data I'm working with. Now, the first thing I really am going to want to do, especially for the median, is to reorganize this set of data into something that's in order from smallest to largest. You can do the mode without doing that, but if you're doing the median, you really need to know what the order is. So there's two ways you can do that. You could simply rewrite the set of data like this. It's now in order. And that will work, and that'll be just fine. However, I personally prefer to rewrite the set of data using a stem and leaf plot, which you can learn about in one of my other videos. Especially when working with a large set of data, I find this a little bit easier to work with. So I'm going to do the work for both median and mode using both of these examples. First of all, the mode, probably the easiest thing to figure out. The mode, also the most, and that's how I remember what the mode is, that mode and most start with the first two letters. The number that occurs most often in your set of data. If I just look here, I'm going to have to do some thinking and figuring out which ones occur the most often. That's why writing it again, it's much easier to go, oh, there's two 21s. Oh, there's two 32s. Oh, look, there's two 65s. So in this set of data, as it currently exists, the mode is 21, 32, and 65, because they all occur the most often. However, let's change the set of data. Let's add another 65. Now the number that occurs most often is 65, and so 65 is the mode. Now there's one other possible answer. What if every single number occurred once? I have one of each number. In this case, the answer? No mode, because no number occurs more than once. That's how to find the mode. Now, if I were trying to find the mode using this chart, I would do something very similar. I'm simply going to look at the chart and go, oh, look, there's a 21, there's a 21, there's a 32, there's a 32, there's a 65, there's a 65. Since there's two of these and two of these and two of these, the answer is going to be 21, 32, and 65 are the mode. And just like the other one, if I were to make changes, that would also change. So that's how to find the mode in a set of number. Now, how do you find the median for this set of number? The median is the middle number in the set. So once again, if I'm going to do this, it's not in order. Finding the number that's exactly in the middle of the set doesn't work when it's not in order. I have to put the numbers in order. So let's go back to my set over here and put back in the numbers that were in the original set. There we are. Back to the original numbers. So I have to find the middle number. First of all, let's look at how many numbers I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers in this set. That's going to cause a problem for me because it's an even number. With 14, there's going to be no exactly middle number. There's a couple different ways to figure out if there's a middle number. I could go like this. I can take off each one from the ends until I arrive at the middle. Oh, wait, no number in the middle. Or I could simply go 14. What's half of 14? 7. And count to the 7th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Except I have to be careful because I need the middle, and there's two numbers actually in the middle. These two are sitting in the middle because it's an even number. When there's two numbers in the middle, I have to find what's halfway between them. So what I'm going to have to do is add these two together and divide it by 2. 38 plus 46. 84 divided by 2. So 42 would be the median in this case, because this set of numbers has an even amount. Now let's change this set of numbers for a moment. Let's add another 65 to the set again. Now there's an uneven set of numbers. There are 15 numbers in the set. Half of 15 is 7.5. Again, one way of doing it is I can go like this, along this, and taking off numbers slowly with my fingers until there's only one number left in the middle. The median is 46. Again, let me demonstrate using a stem and leaf plot, which I find a little bit easier to work with. So, I want to find the middle number in this set. So I'm going to start by removing numbers in order. As you can see, I'm following the pattern. And I've got two numbers left. I've got 38 and 46 left. Again, I have the 38 here and the 46 here. I'm going to have to get halfway between the two, and I'll have to do the same thing again, where I'm going to take the 38 and the 46 and go into the middle. If I change this set of numbers again, and I start taking them off until I arrive at the number in the middle, I see that the number in the middle is 46. And that's the median. The median is the middle number. How do I remember what the median is? Well, they call that thing in the middle of the highway a median. It's the thing that's in the middle of the highway. The key word is middle. So you're trying to find the middle of a set of numbers. It's usually pretty simple if you have an odd number in your set. If you have 15 numbers like I have in this set, it's pretty easy. You just go find the one that's exactly in the middle of your set. The problem is when there's an even amount. When this one's not in there, I've got 14 again. Then I have to go find the two middle numbers and find out what's halfway between them. That's how to find the median.